Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.
Hello YouTube, welcome to my new vlog. Today I am going to show you a cool trick to make your 4 indicators blink while you are going for a ride. There are many methods to blink your 4 indicators. Also, these methods also cost more than 200 rupees. Keeping some motors or something in the bikes, making the 4 indicators blink. But now I am going to show you a simple method to blink your 4 indicators just using a wire. Now we can just remove the back pillion seat and I will show you the master brain behind the 4 indicator. This is the master brain behind the 4 indicators working, and I will show you later. The material requires in this are a piece of wire, as you can see, and a pair of scissors. Now we can just remove the outer covering of the wire from the both ends. You can see that I have removed the both ends of the wire. Before putting that wire into the pot, we can just start the ignition key and also the indicator button. Now you can see only the left part of the indicator is blinking. Now connect the wire to the pot in a U-shaped manner so that it is kept firmly into that pot. Make sure that it is connected to the top left, second and third pot. It looks awesome, right? You can also connect this to a switch so that you can control it easily. To my channel, and if you have any doubt, please comment below. See you next time. Ride safe, ride hard.